This Windermere Real Estate's in One Island property video is presented by Bryant. 2-bedroom, 2-bath, waterfront condo located at coveted Roche Harbor Resort in the Lagoon Shores Complex. Ground-level entry and single-story living with open floor plan leads to the spacious, covered deck with views of the lagoon and resort. Fiber recently installed to the building. Ownership includes access to numerous resort amenities and activities. This condo has the option to be rented in the Roche Harbor Rental pool and is a short walk to restaurants, marina, spa, pool, stores, trails and more. A must-see investment opportunity. For more information, review the details below.